बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आपको अपने YouTube चैनल में खुशामदीद करता हूँ। जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि आने वाले तमाम लेक्चर उन तक पहुँच सके। अब हम अपने लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करते हैं और हमारे लेक्चर का टॉपिक है शर्लॉक होम्स के जो वर्क्स हैं उनमें से एमसीक्यूज वो फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कोनन डॉयल पेरेंट्स। इसके वालिदैन के क्या नेम थे? ये राइटर है शर्लॉक होम्स का, चार्ल्स एंड मैरी। ऑप्शन डी। वेयर डिड आर्थर कोनन डॉयल गो टू स्कूल? इंग्लैंड। इन व्हाट स्पोर्ट डिड कोनन डॉयल एक्सेल एट स्कूल? क्रिकेट। Option 4. At how influenced Conan Doyle decision to become a doctor? Option B. Which of the following people are not influenced Conan Doyle in the university? Option C. Oscar Wilde. Option 6. What was the first published work by Conan Doyle? Option B. Where did Conan Doyle sail as the surgeon on the Hope, Greenland? MCQ number 8. What year did Conan Doyle achieve his Bachelor of Medicine and Master of Surgery degree? 1881, 1881. Option number 10. What year did Conan Doyle publish his first Sherlock Holmes novel, A Study in Scotland? 1887, यानी 1887. How created the image of the Sherlock Holmes for the collection of Conan Doyle stories? Option number C. Option number 12 and MCQ number 12. What event made Conan Doyle realize that he wanted to write and abandoned the career in medicine? Got very sick with flu. What killed Conan Doyle's wife? ट्यूबरकुलोसिस यानी टीबी से उसकी डेथ हुई थी. What was the reason Conan Doyle could not become a soldier in the Napoleonic War? कि वो जंग में क्यों नहीं जा सका? ओवरवेट, ज्यादा वजन होने की वजह से नहीं जा सका था. After returning from African, what career did Conan Doyle try? Option number A, politician. What year was Conan Doyle knighted by King Edward VII? 1902 यानी 1902. Option number MCQ number 17. Conan Doyle married Jean. True. Which of the following is not the name of the child Conan Doyle had? Option number C. Winston Chill. Compliment Conan Doyle ideas regarding World War I. True. When did Conan Doyle die? July 7, 1930 यानी 5 जुलाई 1930 को इसकी डेथ हुई थी. Option number 1. When was Arthur Conan Doyle born? By May यानी 22 May 1859. Where was Arthur Conan Doyle born? Option A. When did Arthur Conan Doyle receive doctorate in medicine? 1885, 1885 में. How impressed Arthur Conan Doyle by his diagnostic detection? Joseph Bill. Where did Arthur Conan Doyle die? Option B. Where was the Hound of the Baskervilles published? 1902. Which novel of Arthur Conan Doyle was published in 1895? The Stork Letters. Option number 8. Where did Arthur Conan Doyle serve in a field hospital during the war? Option number B. How played both Sherlock Holmes and Iron Man? Option number B. Robert. How did Sherlock Holmes feel about society? Option number D. Which is not true of Sherlock Holmes? Was an Smith fan? A option. In how many stories does Erin Adler appear? Option number D. 1. The Loneliest Number. Inspector Lestrade is policeman. Dr. John Watson married a woman named Mary. Sherlock Holmes believed detective work is also about the humanity, यानी इंसानियत के लिए. In the 5 Orange Pips, which were mentioned the American Civil War, which is not a story in the collection. Option number B. Sherlock Holmes is called upon to act as what for the Adler, a witness to her wedding. Arthur was born in what country? Scotland. Which of these names is usually left out of the Arthur's full name? Option number B.